In this video, I will discuss how to scan the web application using the nmap. So I'm going to make use of the broken web application here. So I'll get the IP address of this. So I'll just type ifconfig. So I get the IP address here. So I'll just type this IP address here. So this is the web application that I'm using. So this is let us try to run the nmap over the Kali index here. So what I'm going to do is I will make use of nmap the IP. So IP is 192.168.242.135. So here it will going to list the all the ports are open, services that are provided by the ports. So these are the ports that are open, and at last we have the MAC address. So if I want to do only the ping scanning, I don't want to display the ports. So ping scanning is like whether the host is active or not. I just want to determine that. So how to do this? I make use of -sn the IP. So this is the IP address here. So here we can come to know like whether the host is active or not. So after this we have one more command where we can display the detailed information. So how to display the detailed information? So -b. So this is going to display some detailed information about the host. So when it was started and when it ended, all this information will be sent. So this is how we can do this, and we can also make use of -vb for more detailed information. It's called as verbosing, and we say like 192.168.242.135. So here it will give some more information. So you can go on adding we will get more information on that. So after that we have one more like how to go for a port scanning. So we just want to display all the ports. So you just make use of p -b IP. So this will display all the ports from 1 to 65,535. So all these ports will be displayed. So this is how we are showing all these ports here, and some ports are closed. So this number ports are closed here. Only some 10 ports are open. Okay. So what I will do is I will try to write the number over here, port number, and I just want to check whether the port is open or not. So you can come to know that whether the ports are open or not by using this P, the port number. Only those particular ports will be shown. So port number 22 is open and port number 80 is open. So what I will do is I will try to go for one more step where I can write the port number over here, the names of the port. So these are the names of the port, whether they are currently opened or not. We can just want to check this. We can go like this way where we can type the names of the ports, whether they are open or not. That I can come to know over here. So what I will do is I want to go for service detection. So what is the service detection here? And I'll make use of SV, the IP address over here, 98.168.242.135. So here I'll just try to here, okay. So we can see that the version, what all the services that are running, and it will display the one more column, that is nothing but the version. Version is like which version the ports are running. So it is like OpenSSH 5.3. So it is Debian type Ubuntu. So this is the where we can try to find out the service version. Okay. So next one is I will discuss the OS detection. If I want to discuss what version of the OS it is running, so I can just say -O, the IP address. So we can see that the OS detection is performed. So here it is Linux kernel, and what is the OS details here? Linux 2.6. So it is Linux 2.6. Okay. So we can detect what operating system it is running. So we will try to discuss like aggressive scanning. So what is this aggressive scanning? Let us try to understand this. So aggressive scanning is the thing, but it will detect the OS and version also, script scanning and trace route information also. So all this information can be determined by using this aggressive scanning. So how to use this? We will try to nmap and the because of -A and the IP address. It will take some time because it will going to detect all the things here. So it is like combo search. So here you can see like we have so many information that has been displayed here. We have like SSL certificate of HTTP and what is the validation date and the host key of SSH. So all this information will get in this particular scan. So this is like a combo scan which will give you more details. And one more thing we have like make use of -F, that is like the fast scanning. If you want to perform this very fast scanning, you can make use of fast scanning. Here it will try to scan some ports, and this is how we can do this. And if you want to go for like scanning 1 to 100 ports, so how to do this? 1 to 100 the IP address. So it will going to scan only 1 to 100 ports. So this, and if I want to do this for 1 to 1000, I just make use of 1 to 1000, where it will it is going to scan up to 1 to 1000 ports, which are like called as the famous ports, where popular ports where you can scan this. And last one, we will try to run the scripts. So scripts are nothing but we want to find vulnerabilities in the particular application. So we have scripts here. So we can go and see these scripts here and just type ls. In this particular directory, we have like all type of scripts that we can run. So what I am going to do is I will try to run this particular uh, vulnerability here, and we'll try to see any attacks can be carried out on that particular web applications. So let us try to execute this. Nmap. So what I'll do is -p, and you don't not to use the -p here, and we'll try to say script vulners and -sp the IP address. So this is, I just run over here. So this is how we have to do this particular, execute this particular command. So let us try to wait for some times till it results is outputted. So we can see that so many things are coming over here. So here CV details, critical vulnerability exist or not. So that will come to know over here. So we can just click over here and try to go for the next step, where you can go and attack the target over here. So these are weakness, we can say, like vulnerabilities that are existing in this particular application. So this is what I have discussed in this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.